The Lake Travis ISD Board of Trustees has called a voter approval tax rate election, or VATRE, set for November 2nd. This short video will explain what a VATRE is and demonstrates its effect on Lake Travis ISD. The purpose of a voter approval tax rate election is to ask the community to consider approving a tax rate to maximize state funding. If passed, the proposal would allow Lake Travis ISD to keep an estimated $3 million locally without increasing the total tax rate. How is that possible? The Lake Travis School District is funded primarily through local taxes and state funds. Local taxes are collected and go into two different funds, Maintenance and Operations, or M&O, and Interest and Sinking, or I&S. The M&O side pays for everyday district operations including salaries, books, and building maintenance, while the I&S side is similar to a mortgage and can only be used to pay the debt on voter-approved school bonds. Bonds pay for new school construction and other capital improvements. The Board of Trustees has set the total tax rate at $1.2301. 88.26 cents for M&O and 34.75 cents for I&S. You will see the total tax rate of $1.2301 on the ballot. If voters approve the $1.2301 total tax rate, our board, by resolution, has already approved reducing the I&S tax rate by 2 cents, from 34.75 cents to 32.75 cents, and increasing our M&O tax rate by 2 cents, from 88.26 cents to 90.26 cents. Voting for the VATRE means exchanging 2 pennies from the I&S side and moving them to the M&O side. The result of this exchange will generate an estimated $3 million annually for Lake Travis ISD, and doing so will not affect our total tax rate. More importantly, the additional revenue is not subject to the recapture system of school funding, commonly known as Robin Hood. So what will the additional $3 million be used for? Funds will be used to sustain additional instructional support positions for students and staff and tutorial services for accelerated learning once federal elementary and secondary school emergency relief funds are depleted. If the VATRE does not pass, Lake Travis ISD will not be able to retain $3 million locally. Instead, those funds will be sent to the state under Robin Hood. Again, whether the tax rate election passes or fails, there will be no increase to our district's total tax rate. It's important to note that we are talking about the tax rate, which is different from a homeowner's overall tax bill. Although our local school district tax rate will not change as a result of the election, an increase in property value will inevitably result in an increase in a homeowner's tax bill. Our Board of Trustees has called for the voter approval tax rate election, but the voters are the ones who decide the outcome of the election. All eligible registered voters are encouraged to become informed and exercise their right to vote in this election. Early voting begins Monday, October 18th and continues through Friday, October 29th. Election Day is Tuesday, November 2nd from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Voting locations and additional information can be found on the district website at ltisdschools.org/VATRE.